Searching for a way to make your presentations stand out? Hoping that you can share text and images with an audience to help convey your message? Whiteboard animation software helps bring stories and ideas to life. With free whiteboard animation software, it is a lot easier to create interesting and unique content. Whether you are explaining a product, introducing a business, or trying to sell an idea for a video, whiteboard animation will make your life easier. Here are the 10 whiteboard animation software options available now. Some of them are even free. Whiteboard Animation Maker. Part 1. Free Whiteboard Video Makers. 1. My Simple Show. My Simple Show makes it very easy for you to create explainer videos for corporate situations. It has a free-to-use whiteboard animation plan. Whether you are trying to communicate a marketing idea or highlighting the usefulness of a new product, you can do so with lively images and graphics. My Simple Show is also useful to engage students in an educational setting or for personal use, such as creating a crowdfunding video. You can also use it to receive a public video page for free. Pros: very easy to use with storyline templates. The software does all the technical work, and you can start for free. Includes the option to add audio to presentations. Cons: limited storyline options. 2. Raw Shorts. Want to create a whiteboard explainer video? Raw Shorts will help you get it done. The software is very simple to use, and it features a drag and drop interface. The free version will let you make a 2 minutes duration whiteboard video. You can export 3 exports per month. You can choose between animated whiteboard templates, or you may start from scratch. Rendering and sharing the video is also easy, and the program features integration with YouTube, Facebook, and other platforms. Raw Shorts is the type of program that anyone can use. Whether you are creating business videos to show your clients, marketing videos to help demonstrate a strategy, or training videos, the software will work flawlessly. Features: easy manipulation of images with drag and drop. Thousands of whiteboard-style templates, graphics, unique characters and more. Animated charts to further enhance your content. Free demo available to let you make a whiteboard animation video. 3. Render Forest. Render Forest, a free whiteboard animation software, makes it intuitive to create unique and interesting whiteboard animation shorts. Telling a story through simple videos is a lot better than constantly talking or showing sentences worth of information on a PowerPoint presentation. The program is cloud-based, which means you do not need a powerful machine to run it. And there are already hundreds of ready-made scenes that you can use to enhance your whiteboard animation short. By allowing you to preview your video and edit it before rendering, you can fix any mistakes that you may not have noticed until you saw the final product. Features: hundreds of interesting templates. Close to 400 animated scenes pre-created. Online content editing. 4. Animaker. Another free whiteboard animation software is Animaker. You can use it to make whiteboard animation videos easily with various functions. It includes a free-to-use option. The full video length is enough, though the free version only supports exporting 2 minutes video. It supports a few characters and props, animated maps and charts, infographic icons. You can download 5 whiteboard videos in a month. One thing you need to know is you can only upload South Dakota quality video to YouTube with this free whiteboard animation software plan. You can upgrade a free plan to an advanced plan anytime. Features: you can add effects, text, and music to make whiteboard animation video better. The new upgraded version includes 4 new styles to use. More than 1,000 brands use this whiteboard animation software. 5. Patoon. If you want to make a whiteboard animation video quickly, you can choose this free whiteboard video maker. You can use Patoon to make a presentation with a short video type. It will be more engaging than only images. If you are new to the whiteboard animation field, you can attend a live webinar and learn training center knowledge to start making animation easily. You can use the free whiteboard animation software to make up to 3 mins in HD quality. The storage is 100 MB. Features: you can use free royalty-free music to make your whiteboard animation perfect. It includes free-to-use an object to touch up video. 6. VideoScribe. You just need to drag and drop to use this free whiteboard animation software. You are available to various images and music to make your animation better. It is used to make a video by the BBC. In its free plan, it includes more than 5,000 images to use. You can record voiceover by yourself, which is a useful function if you want to hear your voice in the animated video. Besides, you can share videos with YouTube, Vimeo, and PowerPoint. Features: export MOV and WMV animation video files. You can import your assets to start making animation. Part 2. Paid whiteboard video makers. 7. VideoGives. There are many whiteboard animation options available with VideoGives. Whether you are hoping to create a whiteboard animation for work or you want to share something with your friends, the software will make your job a lot easier. Major companies such as LeadGen, Freelancer.com, and GoldExport use the VideoGives service. Pros: the experts at VideoGives will help you with your whiteboard animation creation. Features include concept and scripting, themes and storyboard, illustration and voiceovers if needed. Cons: it has a steep learning curve. 8. TrueScribe. TrueScribe offers its customers dedicated plans where they can get whiteboard animation stories created. The process starts when customers request a quote on the TrueScribe website, which gets them more dedicated information about the process and pricing. Pros: uses Scribology, a unique method for crafting whiteboard videos. The concept is based on neuroscience and behavioral psychology. Small creative teams help write scripts for animation videos, ensuring each client gets a premiere service. Artists draw images and help bring them to life. Cons: no free option. 9. Easy Sketch Pro. The beauty of Easy Sketch Pro is that anyone can use this whiteboard video maker to create the type of whiteboard animation they want. Whether you are hoping to choose from some pre-created graphics or you want to make your own, it is no issue. When you are using a compatible tablet, it is even easier to use the software. Pros: easy, drag and drop sketch video creation interface. Build videos or stop animation concepts from scratch. Easy to incorporate videos into sketches, including adding voiceovers, text, graphics, and other items. Cons: purchase is required. No professional support for animation creation. 10. Biteable. The Biteable Whiteboard Video Creator is one of the truly easy-to-use options available today. Are you wanting to make animated videos for your business, website, social media profile, classroom, or training seminar? Biteable will make the process very simple for you. The free version is limited that you can't even share one video per month, so I put it on the paid list. The beauty of using a program like Biteable is that you do not have to go through a learning curve. Everything is very intuitive, and every feature of the software is explained in the help section. If you get stuck, you will have guidance on how to proceed. And there are plenty of templates available in this whiteboard animation maker that will make your life even easier. You can choose from these templates and use them directly, or customize them to your liking. Features: choose a video style from templates. Add your text, images, and colors. Easy drag and drop interface. Choose the soundtrack for your video. Share the finished product in any way you want. FAQ about whiteboard animation software. 1. What is the best whiteboard animation software? If you want to make whiteboard animation quickly, we recommend using Animaker. It includes various templates, and some of them support customization. You just need to choose one character you like to make whiteboard animation. For paid software, TrueScribe is a great choice. The cartoons are completely white. You can follow the script to make amazing whiteboard animation. Another tool you should not forget is Biteable. It is easy to use with an intuitive timeline. You can also add audio to give the whiteboard animation a special look. 2. How long does it take to make a whiteboard video? Many people care about the time to make a whiteboard video. It depends on your skills and the complexity of the video you will make. If you are a beginner, you may take 1 day to make a 10 minutes whiteboard video. If you are an advanced editor, it only takes 4 to 5 hours to make 10 minutes videos. 3. Is Doodly free? Doodly is an excellent animation maker, so many people want to know whether it is free or not. The answer is no. It is not free to use. For monthly payment, the standard plan is $39 per month, and the enterprise plan is $69 per month. For annual payment, the standard plan is $20 per month, and the enterprise plan is $40. Conclusion: these are the 10 best options if you are hoping to create whiteboard animation content. Whether you are hoping to create a short video or a series of graphics, these free downloads will get you started with this process.